In the following example, we will showcase the setSpeed function. This function is used to control the speed of a game. If the speed is not previously loaded, it will automatically be loaded when called. If it fails to set the speed, it will return an error string indicating the failure reason, instead of true. The speed parameter is a numeric value that sets the new game speed. A value greater than 1.0 increases the speed of the game. A value under 1.0 slows the game down. Using 1.0 resets the speed back to normal. We begin by defining two tables, speeds and messages. The speeds table contains three values representing different speed settings. 3.0 for increasing the game speed by 3 times. 0.5 for slowing the game down to half its normal speed. 1.0 for setting the speed back to normal. The messages table contains corresponding messages to notify the user about the changes in speed. We define the function handleSpeed to handle the speed changes. This function takes an index as a parameter. It tries to set the game speed using the setSpeed function based on the value in the speeds table at the given index. If the speed is successfully set, it displays a message from the messages table. If it fails to set the speed, it shows an error message. We define the show menu function. In this function, we create a table called options with 4 menu choices. This menu will allow the user to select different options to adjust the game speed or exit the script. The choice function is used to display the options from the options table and prompts the user to choose one. If the user cancels or does not make a selection, the function returns nil and exits. If the user selects option 4, an alert is shown, and the script is terminated. Otherwise, the script proceeds to handle the selected speed change. Finally, we call the handle speed function based on the user's choice, and set up a loop to continuously display the menu. After the menu option is selected, handle speed is called to adjust the speed accordingly. The script then enters an infinite loop, where it checks if the GameGuardian menu is visible. If it is, it hides the menu and displays the custom menu using the show menu function. The loop sleeps for 100 milliseconds before checking again, ensuring the menu keeps appearing until the script is exited. When you edit the game speed using this function, you are essentially modifying the delta time, which is the time between each frame update. By increasing or decreasing the speed, you are affecting how quickly those frames are rendered, which in turn alters the game's overall speed. However, it is important to note that this change does not affect data synchronized with or controlled by the server. Any server-side data is not directly influenced by this function.